My people, the main secret wey make I no go talk too much for this video. I wan make una sit down lis ten make I gist una. When Mohbad still dey alive, he try im luck. He shout out to social medias, nobody save am. He go run to police people, nobody save am. The mama and the papa dey there, nobody save am. As he come turn to RIP, na so online in-laws, youths, social medias come look into his matter. Online in-laws come talk say, since we no save you when you still dey alive, now justice must be served. Nothing go make am no get justice. Nigeria police don look into the matter well. They don look into the matter. I believe that they are going to try their best so that the truth will be out. Make una carry share sit down, open una ear make I gist una. This matter just come out this morning. Before I proceed, if you never subscribe to my channel, make una subscribe to my channel. Share, press your notification bell. So many people don review say Mohbad don dey come to their dream, dey tell them, say dey give them direction, make dey look after him pikin, him 5-month-old baby. Come dey tell people the people wey kill am, 2 people wey kill am. He talk say na Sam Larry and Naira Marley kill am. Youths of Ikorodu don go burn Sam Larry house. They don even arrest Naira Marley make dem confess their sins. Even the nurse wey inject Mohbad poison inside body don finally confess. As youths dey look into Mohbad case, na so they come find out say the pikin wey Mohbad wife born for am no be Mohbad son be that. Na Sam Larry pikin be that. My people, this one choke oo. If dem dey talk another one go dey come out. But e get some people wey carry grace. You see Mohbad, he carry grace. His spirit strong well. Upon he don kpai, but his spirit still dey move around, dey plead justice for his behalf. And justice must be served. My fellow people, make I raise my case for this matter for here. See una in my next video.